joined Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
We have achieved a major success on 14th when a raid was conducted and we have arrested one African national by the name of Faith, who's 24 years old. She was arrested from near Green Park Hotel in Mapsa, near this bus stand which is at Mapsa. And from her possession, we were able to find 150 grams of amphetamine and another 100 grams of ganja. The total worth of this drug is estimated to be around 15 lakh rupees in the international market. We believe that this model, this lady, was a very important link in supplying drugs in Goa, and by catching her, we've been able to disrupt this supply chain through which drugs were coming into Goa. In this, a case has been registered in the anti-narcotic cell police station. Investigations are ongoing. We are working on both backward and forward linkages to see who are the buyers and who are the suppliers who are linked to this lady. And as soon जैसे ही इसके बारे में और जानकारी हमें मिलेगी, हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे.